Here is our G3A already pre-assembled onto our JHL joystick. What essentially you would require is the proper driver to remove the faceplate screws. Once you remove the two mounting screws, you could then easily remove the faceplate and you will be able to see the IP68 sealed connector. You can essentially remove it without a tool by pinching the connector, release, and removing the faceplate. You would essentially take the new faceplate, which is already pre-terminated with the switch content, remounting it to the existing grip, and mounting the faceplate back onto the grip, and fastening it with the screws to replace. The repair process should be less than 10 minutes. You first start by pulling down the bellows to expose the connection from the joystick to the grip handle. Remove any strain relief that may be in place, and then use the proper driver to remove the grip. In our case, G3M and the G3C only have two mounting screws that's mounted to the shaft of the joystick. Upon removal of those mounting screws, you can lift up the G3M and, again, with no use of any tool, pinch the connection and remove the grip. You can then just mount the replaceable grip handle onto the joystick, make the termination to the connectors, and refasten the joystick and terminating any strain relief that is also present in the design. Once that's done, realign the bellows and your machine is back in service with the new grip handle.